Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing daysloan.com to determine if it is legitimate lending platform or one to approach with caution. So first we need to understand what is Days Loan. So daysloan.com positions itself as a service connecting borrowers with the potential lenders, offering loans from $100 to $5,000. They advertised quick approvals and a straightforward application process. And here if I click on the similar web extension in order to check the monthly traffic of this website, you can see that the website had decent traffic on it in the month of December. However, now the graph is in the downwards direction. You can just scroll down a bit and you can take a look at the traffic sources and the country from where the traffic is coming. When I went on reddit.com, I found that some users shared their mixed opinion about Days Loan. There are several users that have reported negative experiences. Like this person here shared that my experience with Days Loan was terrible and I would not recommend it at all. Whereas the another person mentioned that dealing with Days Loan was a headache. They approved my loans quickly, which was great at first, but then I got bombarded with unexpected charges. Trying to get straight answer from their team was like pulling teeth. So people are not actually liking this platform at all. These accounts highlight concerns about unexpected fees and poor customer service. It's essential to thoroughly research and read their reviews before actually engaging with any online lending platforms. I will also try to put the link of it down in the description for your convenience to read out people's opinion here. So when considering an online lender, here are some of the things that you need to keep in mind. Like first of all, you need to research the company's reputation through multiple sources. Like you're watching this video, you can read the Reddit post. And then the second thing that you need to remember is to be cautious of the offers that seem too good to be true. If something is too good to be true, you should just avoid that. You need to carefully read all the terms and conditions, and for this website you can just click on the terms and conditions page and you need to read all the terms and conditions very carefully. After that, you can consult with financial advisor if you are uncertain about anything. In conclusion, while daysloan.com offers quick loan approvals, user experiences suggest potential drawbacks. So always exercise due diligence to ensure your financial decisions are safe and informed. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights. Stay informed and make wise financial choices. Thanks for watching.